I want to begin with the SEC investigation. What's your first read?
Well, it's never good to see a headline like that, but I would say that a company the size of GE has pretty good accounting policies, and I don't think it's going to be a major problem. They will probably just have to substantiate their revenue recognition policy as it relates to their insurance subsidiary.
Ivan, the strategy of the CEO already under pressure. How quickly does he need to change course?
Well, I think that he has outlined a plan. He outlined a plan in November that will take some time. And I think the market has to understand that this may be dead money for some time until we see some of the positive results. And of the three areas, power, aviation, and healthcare, power, which is their biggest, is also facing some challenges. So all of these three divisions and the restructuring of the company are going to take some time to fix and turn around. So I really don't think he should change too quickly. You don't want a CEO that, has a new idea every week. You want to see somebody who has a vision and stays to the core. So I would prefer to see that, and I'd prefer to see how this plays out. But unfortunately, as a shareholder, I don't see any catalysts that is going to drive the stock higher in the near term. And I mean the near term, the next 6 months, and possibly the next year.
But Ivan, I think many people at the time will understand that this is a absolute monster. It's a super tanker. It's going to take a long, long time to turn around. Fine, but at the time when he unveiled his strategy, most people said it wasn't aggressive enough. Does he need to get more aggressive?
Well, possibly, but the biggest problem is that GE may take time to turn around. It may take time for the stock to go up, but yet we're in a raging bull market, and there's so many other stocks there's an opportunity cost of sitting in GE, and I think that's the biggest issue that investors face. You have other companies that are doing well. You have GE's two biggest competitors, or comparable companies, UTX and Honeywell, that have done phenomenally well, that continue to make new highs, while GE, for the past 5 years, has made new lows.
Final question for you, Ivan. Is a breakup inevitable now?
I am not sure that a breakup really would unlock any value. And it would then, you would add costs, because you would have to have a CEO of each company, you would have to have a CFO of each company, you would decentralize so many things that John Flannery has emphasized that there's synergies, especially technology synergies, that all three divisions benefit from. So I don't think they break up.